And today we are going to study JSTL Part 2 in form of studying the various function tag libraries. In this video lecture we are going to see what is JSTL in very briefs, and we are going to see what are the function tag library tags. Okay, to begin with, you are aware that JSP action tags are various tags that are used to access beans in a JSP page. So under JSTL we are going to today study various function tag libraries, and these function tag libraries are nothing but simple functions which are available at a specific URI which you are just importing and using in your program. The various function tag library tags are these. You have replace, you have substring, you have two uppercase conversions to lowercase. We can trim the string, we can know the length of the string, we can join as well as split the string, we can check what things are there or contained in the string, and we can also check whether it ends with a specific substring. So let's begin implementing the various function tag library tags. Welcome dear students to the programming section of the function tag library, which is a part of JSTL. We shall start by implementing all the tags in a simple JSP file, and let me name it function tag library JSTL demo. Okay, this is my file. As you are aware, in core tag library we had seen that you need to import the JSTL library. The same thing applies here. You need to add the JSTL library. Second thing is you are supposed to make use of your third directive, that is taglib, with a prefix of fn. Because it is a function tag library, you can use any prefix. I am specifically using fn. In URL you are supposed to use http and this JSTL Functions. So this is a place where your tags are there. We shall now start by implementing the first tag, that is converting to uppercase and converting to lowercase. So let me first set a variable. So I have to use cset. Now when I am using C, when I am setting a variable, I require another library which is your prefix C, and it is core. Okay, without core you won't be able to set your library. So cset variable is str1 and value is hi hello. This is my variable. Now I want to convert or set this variable to a lowercase. So again cset, let me type a new variable str2, and in str2 let me set a value. This value is equal to fn, that is my function tag library, in which I am going to use two lowercase and in which I am going to provide my string, that is str1. Okay, and this I will close and this I will end. So I have set a new variable str2 and I am just going to print it. Cout value is equal to content of str2. Okay, what I am doing here is I am setting a simple variable str1 with this value. I am taking a second variable str2 and I am setting it with lowercase of whatever answer I will get by converting str1. Okay, and this lowercase will be stored in str2 and I am printing the value of str2. See, hi hello. This is how I can convert to lowercase. The same thing I can do for uppercase. Let me write hi hello, and here let me write to uppercase. and let me run this code. This was about uppercase. Let us move to the replace function. So C set variable is equal to str3 and let me give it a value. Hi, this is India. Okay, this is my string. Now I want to replace India by some other country name. So set variable str4 value is equal to content of function replace. I want to replace str3. In str3 I want to replace India by, I want to replace it by I think we have it in single quotes, so India, and I want to replace it by Bharat. Okay, so this value will be stored in str4 and I can directly print the value of str4. Let me refresh this page. Okay, hi, this is Bharat. Let us now move to substring. Substring is going to give you a small part from a very big string. Okay, so C out variable is equal to str5 and value is equal to content fn substring, and substring I will give from which string I want to find substring, so str3, which means from this string. Okay, so from this string 1, 5, so I want letters from 1 to 5, and then I can directly print value is equal to content of str5. Three, four, five. It's not going to print with what is the problem? Okay, yes, sorry. It has to be set, not out. If you are using a variable inside, it shouldn't be out, it has to be set. ITH. Okay, now when I am getting this ITH, which means this is my 0th position, which I am not counting, so it will print from I. It will not include the 5th character, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 5th character I will not be printed, so printing will start from this index and this index will not be printed, and it always starts with an index 0. We want to ends with, so C out value where content of fn ends with str3 and it ends with India. This is what is true or false I want to check. So let me refresh this. True, it ends with India. And if I write India 1, It is false. One more we have, that is contains. For contains we will check whether any string contains a particular string or substring that we are writing. So fn contains in str3 we will write is. So does str3 contain is means does this statement contain is? True, it contains. Next is length. Cout value is equal to content of fn length of str3. str3 means this one, it is going to print the length of this. It is 16. We will now check for trimming. So we will set a variable, set variable is equal to trim string and value is equal to so many spaces, hi, hello, so many spaces. So this is my string. C set variable is equal to trimmed string, value is equal to content of function trim string. Okay, now let me print one more thing. Let me print the length. So it is, what is the variable name? Trim str fn length trim str. Okay, it is going to print the length of the string, and the same thing we can do here. After trimming, it is stored in trimmed, so we can get the difference. First it was 16, now it is 8. So it is removing all the spaces. The spaces which are removed are from back and front, not the in between spaces. Okay, so spaces before hi and spaces after hello have been removed, but the space in between hi and hello is not being removed. That's why you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 as your result. Now we shall move for splitting and joining. These are the two functions that we will see. First, let me set a variable. Set variable is equal to split string, value is equal to abc, pqr and xyz. Okay, now I want to split this string into abc, pqr and xyz, means I want to remove the semicolon. So c set variable is equal to split and value is equal to fn split. I want to split string and I want to split it by this. Okay, and this is done. Now I want to print it. So for printing I require for each loop. C for each. I can take items. I can take content of split, and I can store it in a variable called as I, and inside that I can print value of content of I. Run. You can use a BR tag in between if you want. ABC, PQR and XYZ. Next is the join function. The join function will help me to join this string which is split by a similar parameter. So ABC, PQR and XYZ are split and stored in the string split. Now I want to join whatever content is there in the split string by a different parameter other than this semicolon. So what I will do is, again C set variable is equal to join, and value is equal to fn join. I want to join the string split, and I want to join it by colon. And I can directly print it. Value is equal to content of join. As you can see, ABC, PQR and XYZ are joined by colon. So that's all for the functions from my side. Thank you.